Welcome to this channel. In this video, you will learn how to enable PHP error reporting logs on web browser in your local machine. If you are new to this channel, subscribe and stay connected to us. And now follow this video instruction to the end. Here a PHP code. Errors happened but not showing error log on browser, and this showing this message. I am going to fix it now. So let's get started. Start your terminal. And open PHP ini file with a text editor. And locate display error, set on and save, and locate error reporting and uncomment this and save and close. Again another file inside apache2 php.ini with a text editor, and do this again. Error reporting, uncomment and locate this display error, set it on and save and close. Now restart. First reload your Apache server and then restart. And now you will notice what type of error occurs on your .php file. Syntax error unexpected, and now $sign. Okay, thank you very much.